Good morning, student. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. So we are continuing with unit number 8 and chapter number 17. Going to buy a book. So today we will do exercise question answer. Okay. So first of all we will discuss new words. So first word is alone. 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 Alone means akela, when no one else is present. Bookshop. 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 Bookshop होती है, बुकशॉप होती है जहाँ पे बुक्स बेची जाती है, बुक्स सेल की जाती हैं. अ शॉप वेयर बुक्स आर सोल्ड. मशीन्स. MACHINES. machines, it's a mechanical device. Finally. FINALLY. final means अंत में, after a long time. Climbed. CLIMBED. Climb means to go or come up a slope. Now come to the questions. Reading is fun. So first is, why did grandfather give the children money? जो दादाजी थे, जो ग्रैंडफादर थे, उन्होंने बच्चों को मनी क्यों दिया था? सो आंसर विल बी, द ग्रैंडफादर गेव मनी टू द चिल्ड्रन टू बाय बुक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर डिड दे गो टू बाय बुक्स? वो बुक्स खरीदने के लिए कहाँ गए थे? दे वेंट टू अ स्मॉल बुक शॉप टू बाय बुक्स. Did the girl buy a picture book? No. The girl bought a fat book with many stories in it. Okay. Let's listen and search. In small groups, one child will give direction. Okay, this is fun activity. Let's talk. Is there a bookshop near your home? If there is, do you like to visit it? Okay. If you have a bookshop near your house, so you will write yes, there is a bookshop near your home. And do you like it, like to visit it? Yes, of course. If we have a bookshop near my house, I would love to go there and buy books and read the books, right? What are the different kind of books in this bookshop or in any other bookshop you have seen? Tell the class. So children, अगर आप कभी किसी बुक शॉप पे गए हो तो आपने वहाँ पे कौन कौन से बुक देखी है? So you can tell the classes, you can tell your friends. Okay, like you will say fiction books, novel books, love stories, comics, okay, action, many types of books will be found. Next, let's write. So look at the sentence in the story. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should I buy a thin book? The colored word above are describing words. So जो ये रेड कलर में है, बिग, स्मॉल, थिन, ये क्या है? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? जो एक्स्ट्रा जो उसकी चीज़, जैसे कि किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? सो it will be describing words. Like, now fill in more describing words into the passage below. So it was a night. So night कैसी होती है? लाइट होती है, डार्क होती है? ऑब्वियसली डार्क होती है. सो डार्क नाइट. अ गर्ल sat up in bed listening to her mother. So a स्मॉल या लिटिल, ओके, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. हर मदर टेल ए डैश स्टोरी. सो वो कोई सी भी स्टोरी लिख सकते हो, फेरी, ओके, कॉमिक. सो आई विल टेल अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी. हर डैश eyes opened wide and she gave a, her eyes, small eyes opened wide and she gave a big smile. Smile big होती है ना? Yes. Now go to sleep पारो. Her mother closed the book and देखो inverted में है, so sweet dream. So these are describing words. Next, imagine that you will go to the bookshop tomorrow. What will you do there? Write 5 sentences beginning with I shall. Okay, like I shall select the books that I would like to buy. I shall pick up the books of my interest. I shall ask for the children's section. I shall open a few books and go through them. I shall pay for the selected books and bring them home to read them thoroughly. Tina goes to her school library to borrow a book. Complete her dialogues with the librarian by using and or in the blanks. So we will add in these blanks and or. Okay. So Tina said, this is dialogues. Okay. Ma'am, I want to borrow a book. Librarian, do you want a story book or a book of poems? Tina, I want a story book. Librarian, do you like stories about animals or adventure stories? So and आएगा या और Tina, I like both. Librarian, go to the second cupboard. On the first shelf you will find animal stories and on the second adventure story. And Tina, after selecting 2 books, ma'am, I want Black Beauty and Panchtantra stories. Librarian, you can have either Black Beauty or Panchtantra stories. Okay, now what is your favorite book? Write down the name of the book, then write down the story. Okay, so you will tell your favorite book, and then you will write the name of the book, and then you will write the story. Okay, so this is your homework, children. Okay, so children, your question answer part is over here. So thank you, have a nice day.